Hello, my dear students. Can we solve some questions? Given question is the energy of 2s subshell is least. Energy is least. Energy. Energy is inversely proportional to orbit number. Lithium, N value is equals to 2. In case of sodium, N value 3. In case of potassium, N value 4. In case of rubidium, N value 5. So N value increases, energy decreases. Correct answer is fourth option. A particle X moving with a certain velocity has a de Broglie's wavelength of 1 angstrom. Particle X wavelength, de Broglie's wavelength is given 1 angstrom. If particle Y has a mass of 25% that of X, suppose mass of X is taken as mx, then mass of Y is 25% that of X, that is 0.25 mx, and velocity 75% that of X. Suppose, imagine, let the velocity of X is Vx, then velocity of Y particle is 75% that of 75 by 100 into Vx. So 0.75 Vx. For two particles from equation 1 and 2, lambda x by lambda y is equals to h by mx Vx whole divides with h by my Vy. H is cancelled, so it can be simply written as my Vy by mx Vx. Lambda x value we know 1 angstrom. Lambda y value calculate. My Vy. My value is given as 0.25 mx and Vy value is 0.75 Vx divides with the mx value is mx only, Vx value is Vx only. mx, Vx cancel. 1 by lambda y. 1 by lambda y is equals to 0.25 into 0.75. Then lambda y is equals to 1 by 0.25 into 0.75. Now simplify this. Then you will get a 5.333. Correct option is second option. Bond angle is highest in. Take it given first molecule is NO2 plus. NO2 plus bond angle is 180 degrees because it undergoes sp hybridization. NH4 plus undergoes sp3 hybridization. Bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. CO3 2 minus undergoes sp2 hybridization. Bond angle is 120 degrees. Even ClO3 minus is also undergoes sp3, but bond angle is 107 degrees. In NH4 plus, no lone pairs are present. 4 sigma bonds and 0 lone pairs are present. But here 3 sigma bonds in this structure, 1 lone pair is present. Number of lone pairs are increases, bond angle is decreases. So question is related to bond angle is highest in. Bond angle is highest in NO2 plus. Here note down one more point. Bond angle is directly proportional to S percentage, S character. And bond angle is inversely proportional to number of lone pair of electrons. Among the following molecules, the molecule in which the central atom has maximum number of lone pair of electrons. According to the hybridization or according to the structure, in BrF5 molecule, one lone pair is present. In HCF4, two lone pairs are present. In HCF2, three lone pairs are present. In ClF3, two lone pairs are present. Question is related to maximum number of lone pair of electrons. So HCF2 is correct answer. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, delta G is equals to T delta S total. This is wrong. Delta H system is equals to minus T delta S total is correct. The relation between Gibbs free energy change and the total entropy change of the universe is delta H system is equals to minus T delta S total. So first statement is wrong. For a process to be spontaneous, delta S total is positive. Correct. Statement 1 wrong, but statement 2 is correct. This is also statement based question. Heat of formation of CO2 is equals to heat of combustion of graphite. Yes, correct. Why? In the formation of CO2, graphite is the reactant. In the combustion of graphite, in the combustion process also, graphite is the reactant. Both cases, CO2 is formed as a product. Heat of formation means formation of 1 mole of product from its standard state. Heat of formation of 1 mole of product from its standard state is called heat of formation. So based on that, first statement correct. Graphite is a standard state. Heat of formation of SO2 is equals to heat of combustion of rhombic sulfur. Yes, this is also correct. So both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Very important. The next question, the value of Kc, Kp. Equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant is depends only on temperature. pH of 10 power minus 3 molar NaOH. Calculate pH of 10 power minus 3 molar NaOH. Concentration of NaOH is given. So first of all, calculate concentration of OH minus ion. Concentration of OH minus ion is equals to Mk. K indicates acidity or basicity. Number of replaceable hydrogen atoms or number of replaceable OH groups. Given molarity is 10 power minus 3 into in NaOH, number of replaceable OH atoms is equals to 1. That is equals to 10 power minus 3. Now calculate POH. POH is equals to formula negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration, negative log of 10 power minus 3. 3 log 10 value 1. So POH value is 3. But question is calculate pH. pH plus POH is equals to 14. Then pH is equals to 14 minus 3. That is equals to 11. 1 mole each of weak acid. HA is a weak acid. And its conjugate base. A minus is conjugate base. Are present in 1 liter solution. 1 mole, number of moles is given, volume is also given. So calculate the concentration first of all. Molarity is equals to number of moles by volume. 1 by 1 is equals to 1. So concentration is also equals to 1. pKb value is given as 8. Then calculate pH of the solution. It is a combination of weak acid and strong base. So pH is equals to, pH is calculated by using the formula pH is equals to pKa plus log of salt concentration or conjugate base concentration, salt or conjugate base. Conjugate base concentration divides with concentration of reactant, concentration of acid. Reactant is acid. pKa value, but here pKb value is given. How to calculate pKa? pKa plus pKb, pKa plus pKb is equals to 14. Then pKa is equals to 14 minus pKb. That is equals to 14 minus pKb value how much? 8. 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. Substitute the value 6 plus log of 1 mole of each present in 1 liter solution. So base concentration is 1. Acid concentration is also 1. 1 cancel. Then 6. pH is equals to 6. STP volume of the gas liberated when 2 moles of KClO3 is completely decomposed thermally. KClO3, according to this equation, KClO3 number of moles, 2 moles. 2 moles of KClO3 thermally decomposed to give a gas, that is oxygen. How many moles of gas? 3 moles of O2. 1 mole of any substance. 1 mole of any substance occupies 22.4 liters. Then 3 moles occupies how many liters? 3 into 22.4, that is equals to 67.2 liters. Number of moles of permanganate ion required that can oxidize 2 moles of Fe2 plus 2, Fe3 plus in acidic medium. This is the acidic medium equation. Here important, Fe2 plus color is green color, Fe3 plus color is yellow color. So first of all, ferrous ion is converted to ferric ion. According to this equation, 5 moles of Fe2 plus requires 1 mole of MnO4 minus. Then now question is 2 moles. 2 moles of Fe2 plus requires how many moles of MnO4 minus? 2 into 1 by 5, that is equals to 0.5 moles. 0.4 moles, sorry. First option. Van 't Hoff factor I for 0.1 molal Al2SO4 taken thrice if it is 80% dissociated. For dissociation, the relation between Van 't Hoff factor and degree of dissociation is I is equals to 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha. First calculate the value of I. I represents Van 't Hoff factor. Al2SO4 thrice dissociate like 2 Al3 plus 3 SO4 2 minus. Number of moles of ions after association or dissociation divides with the number of moles of ions before association or dissociation. 5 by 1, that is equals to 5. I value we know, I is equals to 5. 1 plus n minus 1 sorry. Here question is to calculate Van 't Hoff factor. Calculate Van 't Hoff factor. Okay. So n value is equals to 5. Number of ions, 5 number of ions are present. And if it is 80% dissociated, Alpha value is given as 80%. 80% means 80 by 100. The value is 0.8. Now calculate the value of I. I is equals to 1 plus. How many number of ions are present? 5 ions after dissociation. Minus 1 into 0.8. 1 plus 4 into 0.8. 1 plus 3.2, that is equals to 4.2. Very, very important question this is. At 298 kelvins, the vapor pressure of the following is high. Which vapor pressure is high? Water molecule vapor pressure is high. We know that vapor pressure is inversely proportional to number of solute particles. Number of solute particles are increases, then vapor pressure value is decreases. 0.1 molar urea. Urea further dissociation is not possible. So number of moles of solute particles is equals to 1. NaCl dissociated into Na plus and Cl minus. Number of solute particles 2. MgCl2 dissociated like Mg2 plus 2Cl minus. So number of solute particles 3. Generally what we are expected, water is dissociated like H plus and OH minus. Number of solute particles 2. We are expecting number of solute particles 2 in case of water. But number of solute particles is equals to 2. That is wrong. Why? At 298 kelvins, pure water always has the highest vapor pressure compared to any solution made with it, because pure water has no solute particles. No solute particles. So first option is correct. Limiting molar conductivity of CH3COOH is greater than that of KCl. Limiting molar conductivity. Yes, first statement is correct. Why first statement is correct? Because CH3COOH is a weak electrolyte. KCl is a strong electrolyte. Weak electrolytes, strong electrolytes, not 100% dissociated. Here 100% dissociation takes place. So what happened? 100% dissociation takes place. Number of ions per unit area increases, molar conductivity decreases. So statement 1 correct, even statement 2 is also correct. In dry cell, during discharge, the reaction taking place at cathode. What is the cathode reaction? First one is the cathode reaction. Statement 1. Radon is a decay product of radium. Yes, radon is a decay product of radium. Correct. Ca3PO4 taken twice dot CaF2 is called fluoroapatite. Yes, this is also correct. Statement 1, statement 2, both are correct. For the reaction, 3A plus 2B gives rise to 3C plus D. If the rate of disappearance of A is X mole per second, then the rate of appearance of C will be, okay. Here question is related to A and C only. According to the above equation, rate is equals to minus 1 by 3 dA by dt is equals to minus 1 by 2 dB by dt is equals to plus 1 by 3 dC by dt is equals to plus dd by dt. Question is related between concentration of A and concentration of C. So minus 1 by 3 dA by dt is equals to plus 1 by 3 dC by dt. So 1 by 3 get cancelled. Minus dA by dt concentration is equals to dC by dt concentration. That means both the concentration remains the same. Correct answer is first option. Assertion. The value of rate constant is influenced by catalyst. Yes, rate constant value is influenced by catalyst. Correct. Catalyst can influence the rate of forward and backward reaction to the same extent in a reversible reaction. Correct. But there is no relation between A and R. A and R are true, but there is no relation between them. See the next question. Thymine. Thymine means vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 deficiency is beriberi. A4. Cyanocobalamin. Cyanocobalamin is vitamin B12. Anemia. B1. Okay. Ascorbic acid. Vitamin C. Scurvy. So fourth option is correct option. Once check vitamins deficiency. The qualitative analysis. Which of the following cation is precipitated as carbonate by using ammonium carbonate along with NH4Cl and NH4OH? Yes. Ammonium carbonate to NH4Cl, NH4OH is a group reagent for group 5 cations. In grand test 2, I already given group cations, group reagents. Okay, group 5 cations are Pa2 plus, Sr2 plus, Ca2 plus. So correct answer is third option. Lyophilic solutions among the following is lyophilic solution is starch solution. Remaining all three are lyophobic solutions. Lyophilic solution means liquid loving. Lyophobic solutions means liquid hating. Water loving, water hating. The compounds shows which type of the compounds exhibit which type of isomerism. Okay. The compounds are exhibits ionization isomerism because the ions are different. CCl4. CCl4 is fire extinguisher. CH3Cl, paint remover, chloromethane, paint remover. DDT, non-biodegradable insecticide. The metal ion that have the calculated spin-only magnetic moment value of 4.9 bm. 4.9 bm is mu value. That means it contains how many unpaired electrons? 4 unpaired electrons. We know that D4 and D6 electronic configurations. In a D4 and D6 electronic configurations, 4 unpaired electrons are present. D4, D6, D4. Cr2 plus, Cr2 plus, Fe2 plus, Mn3 plus. ABE, second option. Which of the following reaction is appropriate for converting acetamide to methanamine? Hoffman bromamide degradation. Br2 plus NaOH. We know that in Hoffman bromamide degradation process, the product contains one carbon atom less compared with reactant. Lanthanide ions with 4F7 configuration are Eu2 plus 4F7 configuration. GD3 plus 4F7 configuration, EU2 plus GD3 plus. That's all. Remaining electronic configurations are not 4F7. Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde. Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde, then it gives alcohol. How? Take Grignard reagent CH3MgBr plus HCHO. Break the bond between oxygen and carbon. Break the bond between alkyl group and magnesium. Alkyl group gets negative charge. Then it is converted to HCHO, MgBr, CH. Which on further hydrolysis, H plus OH minus. Oxygen negative charge, MgBr positive charge. Remove MgOHBr, remaining is CH3CH2OH. Alcohol, the alcohol is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride is present, nucleophilic substitution takes place. Alcohols are converted to haloalkane. CH3, CH2, Cl. Further it reacts with the alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH dehydrohalogenating agent. Dehydrohalogenation takes place. Dehydrohalogenation takes place and it is converted to CH2 double bond CH2. Which on further hydrolysis, H2O, H plus. That means it undergoes acidic hydrolysis, then it gives CH3CH2OH. So this is C, this is B, this is A. Alcohols are undergoes functional isomerism. Third option, correct option. Alcohol, functional isomer of alcohol. Alcohol functional isomer is ether. IUPAC name of the following compound. Okay. Long chain is always alkane form. C2H5, C2H5. These are alkyl forms. Both the alkyl groups are directly attached to nitrogen. So name of this compound is N-N diethyl 4 carbons bute. Between carbon single bond A. First position nitrogen group is present, 1 amine. So check it, correct answer. Second option. Correct order of reactivity towards nucleophilic addition. Nucleophilic addition. Order of reactivity towards nucleophilic addition. Generally, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. This is aldehyde. This is also aldehyde. Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. After that, nucleophilic addition reactions directly proportional to electron withdrawing group. The reactivity of nucleophilic addition inversely proportional to electron donating group. We know that here NO2 group is present. NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. So C first, C after A. Only one option. Among the following gases, which one has property of diffusing through glass, plastic and rubber? Helium. Match the following. Fittic reaction. This is Fittic reaction. A2. Luckily only one option is present. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. This is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Williamson synthesis, alkyl halide reacts with sodium alkoxide. Clemmensen reduction. Third option, correct option. Identify the product C. Okay. Reacts with the HONO. This compound first reacts with HONO. HONO, or sometimes this is also given as HNO2, or this is also given as NaNO2 plus HCl. Which process takes place? Diazotization process takes place. It is a aromatic amine. Aromatic amines are converted to BDC, N2 plus Cl minus, remaining bromine atoms as it is. Bromine, bromine, bromine. Further reacts with the CuCl, HCl. CuCl, HCl. The reaction name is called as Sandmeyer's reaction. Sandmeyer reaction, BDC group is disappeared. Sorry, diazonium chloride is disappeared. In that place, substitute chlorine. Cl, Br, Br, NO2. Sorry, here also NO2. Sorry, here also NO2. Now, Sn plus HCl. Reduction. Reduction, nitro group undergoes reduction, then it gives amine. Nitro group is converted to amine, remaining as it is Br, Br, Cl. The amine again reacts with HONO. First, it again reacts with HONO. Then amine group is converted to N2Cl. N2 plus Cl minus. Sorry. Here chlorine is present. Here bromine. Here also bromine. NH2, diazotization process takes place and it gives diazonium salt. And one more thing, what is given? H3PO2 reacts with acid. H3PO2 reacts with acid, then N2Cl group is converted to remove N2Cl. In the place of N2Cl, substitute hydrogen. Br, Cl, Br. Third option is correct option. Here, every corner in benzene ring along with carbon, hydrogen atom is present. Benzoic acid do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Yes, correct. Why do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? Because the carboxyl group is deactivating and the catalyst AlCl3 gets bonded to the carboxyl group. Statement 1 is correct. Benzoic acid C6H5COOH. We know that COOH group is electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing groups are meta-directing group. Meta-directing group. So, first option is correct. On addition of phenol to diazonium salt, coupling reaction takes place to form a diaphenol. Coupling reaction gives orange colored dye. In the place of phenol, PDC reacts with aniline, then it gives yellow colored dye. Phenol is an acid, so this chemical reaction takes place in basic medium. Aniline is a base, so this chemical reaction takes place in acidic medium. Chromatography paper is used in partition chromatography. Fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent due to low enthalpy of dissociation of FF bond. Yes, FF bond. Bond energy is low. Why bond energy is low? Fluorine atomic size small. Because of its small atomic size, around fluorine lone pair of electrons are present. Because of its small atomic size, repulsions are increases between lone pair of electrons. So bond energy value decreases. Statement 1 is correct. pKa of HCl is -7. Yes, correct. The pKa of HCl is -7. This is NCERT textbook line only. Statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is also correct. Which of the following statements are correct? Benzene can involve in electrophilic substitutions. Correct. Resonance energy of benzene is 36 kilocalories. Correct. Chlorobenzene is more reactive than benzene towards electrophilic substitutions. Yes, chlorobenzene is more reactive than benzene towards electrophilic substitutions. Why? With respect to inductive effect, it acts as a electron withdrawing group. So what happened? Electron withdrawing groups deactivate the benzene ring and it increases the reactivity towards electrophilic substitutions. So with respect to this is wrong statement. Wrong statement. It deactivates benzene ring, making chlorobenzene less reactive than benzene itself. We are expecting this statement is correct, but this statement is wrong. Why this statement is wrong? With respect to minus I effect. Chlorobenzene is less reactive. More reactive term is wrong. Correct term is here less reactive. Everyone is confused here only. Expecting chlorobenzene is more reactive. No, chlorobenzene is less reactive. Observed in case of halobenzenes, this point is. In benzene, all carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Correct, no doubt. So correct answer is 1, 2, 3 statements are correct. The reaction of C6H5CH double bond CH3 with HBr produces. First of all, break the bond between carbon and carbon. Here two possibilities are there. Either benzyl carbon gets negative charge or benzyl carbon gets positive charge. We know that. Now you can check it. This is which carbocation? First case 2-degree carbocation is formed. Second case benzyl carbocation is formed. We know that benzyl carbocation is more stable compared with 2-degree carbocation. So don't break like this. Break like this. Now you can add HBr. HBr dissociate like H plus Br minus. Then it gives product CHBr, CH2, CH. Fourth option, correct option. Choose the incorrect match. Already hint is given here. The incorrect match is chlorophyll, a coordination compound of iron. Wrong. It is not a coordination compound of iron. It is a coordination compound of magnesium. Remaining statements are correct. EDTA used in treatment of lead poisoning, correct. Cisplatin inhibit growth of tumors, correct. Cyanocobalamin anti-pernicious anemia factor, correct. Atomic number 114 belongs to 113. 113 belongs to 3A group. 114 belongs to 4A group. 115 5A group. 116 6A group. 117 7A group. 118, eighth group. Now question is related to 114. 114 is flerovium, 4A group. 4A group elements belongs to carbon family. First option, correct option. Common name of the compounds. Identify the common name of the compounds. Benzene 1,3 diol is resorcinol. Benzene 1,2 diol is catechol. Benzene 1,4 diol is hydroquinone. And this is methoxybenzene is called as anisole. Third option is correct option. Correct statement is B2O3 acidic oxide, correct. BF6 3 minus does not exist. Correct. TlCl3 is an oxidizing agent. Correct. Tl is least electronegative. No. In 3A group, the least electronegative element is aluminum. Highest electronegative element is boron. So incorrect statement is fourth one. Alkene react with a cold alkaline KMnO4. Cold alkaline KMnO4. Reagent is cold alkaline KMnO4. Dihydroxylation process takes place. So break pi bond, add left side OH group, right side also OH group. So ethane 1,2 diol, glycol. This is ethane 1,2 diol, IUPAC. Common name of this compound is glycol. Color of coordination entity TiH2O taken 6 times 3 plus is violet. Check it. Remove 3 electrons, then 3D1 configuration, unpaired electrons are present, so it is colored. The color is due to DD transitions. A is to R is to R is the correct explanation of A. Which of the following vanadium dihalide is unstable? Vanadium forms dihalides, chlorides, bromides, iodides. It forms only chlorides, bromides, iodides. Fluorides does not forms. Thank you.